Hi there, welcome to the ingredient channel where I post recipes and share cooking experience every Sunday. In this episode, we're making Chinese steamed eggs. Here's the list of ingredients for the dish. The recipe can also be found in the description field under the video. Please remember to subscribe. Steamed eggs, also known as water eggs, is a traditional Chinese dish with very simple recipes to follow. Although sometimes it is referred to as egg custard, it is not a typical dessert. Rather, it tastes like a savory gelatin and is served as a soup or an appetizer. When I was young, mom made steamed eggs when I didn't feel well, as it is nutritious and easy to digest. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. In a bowl, we're going to use 6 eggs. Crack them open. Add about 1.5 teaspoons of salt. One teaspoon of light soy sauce. 5 spice. Cooking oil. And beat the egg. Kind of like before we make omelets. I'm using chopsticks. Of course, egg whisk is another option. Until you whisk them, the texture is becoming very consistent. Now we're going to add water, about 2.5 cups. Keep beating for a few more times. And then we're going to put it into a steam pot. Steam for 20 minutes. Then the surface is going to become very solid and strong, so they can hold the dried small shrimps. We're going to sprinkle them on top and then cover the lid again. Steam for another 10 minutes also. Open the lid, use a chopstick or fork to poke it and to see if there are any raw egg liquid still coming out. If not, then it's ready. Cool it down. And drip a few drops of sesame oil on top. Scoop out some and serve in a little bowl and enjoy. You know what I'm gonna say. It is very soft, tasty, full of protein and nutritious and soothing. I hope you enjoy this very easy recipe. Do try it. Good to have you. Hope you visit the other videos in my channel and subscribe. Thank you.